Good evening. My name is Alva Murillo Quiroga, and I will be presenting the sales proposal prepared by Cutco for Salmart. We will be showcasing the product Galley plus 6 knife set with block. So I'm going to share a brief testimonial before starting the presentation. This is from Thomas from Pennsylvania, and it says, "My knives were treated as if they were someone's child." So to start with, I'm going to provide a brief history of Cutco. So Cutco was founded in 1949 and its product line includes kitchen knives and utensils, shares, flatware, cookware, and sporting knives. Located in Olean, New York, more than 600 employees work at Cutco's factory and administrative headquarters. Cutco was originally created as a product for Wherever Aluminum, which at the time was a division of Alcoa. Eventually, the company added its signature wedge lock handle and placed the double D recessed edge on some of its knives. So, what sets Cutco apart from other competitors? So, two things that set Cutco apart from competitors and that have never changed are its commitment to fine craftsmanship and the forever guarantee. And Cutco knives have been handed down from mothers to daughters, grandfathers to grandsons, and between friends. In doing so, the forever guarantee has been passed along too. So I've mentioned the forever guarantee. So what is the forever guarantee? So the forever guarantee is a program in which Cutco clients submit their knives back to Cutco for sharpening or for fixing or any other remodeling that they might need. The Cutco website describes the forever guarantee as a way to satisfy the Cutco owner forever. So when the product is passed along, Cutco will continue to back that pledge. And how does Cutco fit with Salmart? So Salmart is a limited item business model that offers their clients quality products at an exceptional value unmatched by traditional retail. Salmart wants to provide the best quality of products and services for its clients. Salmart has evolved to offer solutions not just for entrepreneurs and small businesses, but also for families and everyday clients. Salmart has millions of clients and almost 200 locations across the US, Puerto Rico, Canada, China, and Mexico. So in order to help Salmart, Cutco has done its homework and has identified Salmart's needs. So the first one is to provide clients exclusive savings and quality merchandise. Secondly, to offer clients the most choices on how to shop with Salmart anywhere and anytime. Thirdly, to carry leading national brands that use top-of-the-line materials and the highest quality ingredients. And lastly, to provide excellent products and services in stores, online, and through mobile devices. So therefore, we have our product proposition, which is the Galley plus 6 knife set with block. And we have come up with 3 adjectives for this product: solid, expert, and appropriate. Here we're showing what the product looks like. So this 13-piece galley set features super sharp, American-made cooking knives that deliver clean cuts and make prep work fast and easy. It is complete with 6 table knives and an oak block that will safely store and protect the edges of your knives. It also comes in 2 colors, red and pearl. And as with any other Cutco knife or product, this knife set will be as razor sharp as they were the day the client bought them. With Cutco knives, the client will never have to worry about the knife losing its razor sharp edge. Here we have some testimonials from our customers. This one is from Maggie. "I'll never use another knife. After purchasing the Galley Plus 6 set with block about 12 years ago, I've been hooked on Cutco knives. After all these years, The knives are still as razor sharp as they were the day I bought them. With Cutco knives, I never have to worry about the knife slipping and cutting myself as I did with my old knives. They make me feel so much safer and prep time is cut in half. So, why would Salmart purchase Cutco's Galley Plus 6-piece knife set? Cutco aims to meet Salmart's needs and to complement Salmart's mission of providing the best quality products for clients, and since 1949, Cutco has prided itself on providing razor-sharp knives that are high quality and durable. Regarding pricing, each galley set is priced at $957, and this price might seem a little bit higher than usual, at least higher than your standard product. However, the quality of the materials and the durability are worth it. Cutco proposes to sell 1,000 units to Salmart. And finally, we have our contact information. We have the corporate website. We are providing the number for our CFO if you wish to contact her, and the email address of our CFO. We would love to hear from you. Thank you very much.